Hey there. Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
Let's practice English 2. Complete these sentences with the missing words. I'm Sarah and this is... So we need possessive adjective. Husband. Number 2. He's Donald and this is mother. Possessive adjective. Your name's Lubna and this is English class. Possessive adjective. We're from Spain and this is house. Possessive adjective. And the last example, they're doctors and this is hospital. Possessive adjective. So let's see the answers. I am Sarah and this is my husband. Can I write I am Sarah and this is your husband? So it's possible, but we want the relationship between I and my. So there is a relationship between I and my. Let's see number 2. If you wrote any other answer, please write it in the commentary. Because I cannot see your answers. So if you have anything to discuss with me, just write it in the comments and I will answer you and discuss it with you. So in all these tests, so if you have any different answer or if you want to see if your answer is correct or not, so let's put it in the comments section or part and I will discuss it with you. Number 2. He's Donald and this is his mother. Your name's Lubna and this is your English class. We're from Spain and this is our house. Because we have your, we, our. They're doctors and this is their hospital. So these are the answers in this activity. So you need to stop the video to write the answers, then you go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide.